Welcome to the world of Canon. The VIXIA R72 camcorder makes it easy to capture high-quality, creative Full HD video with amazing zoom power for up to 12 hours. Record subjects near and far with a remarkable 57x advanced zoom that lets you capture the shot you want without interrupting the scene, and a super range optical image stabilizer that helps keep your video smooth, clear and steady even if you shoot while walking. You can record to the 32GB internal flash drive or directly to a removable SD memory card for flexibility and convenience. Zoom Framing Assist keeps it simple by helping to prevent you from losing a distant subject while shooting, and now features both auto and manual modes for expanded versatility. Newly added features include a highlight priority mode which helps recreate the rich range of color seen by the naked eye, as well as a redesigned LCD screen that stays bright and clear even outdoors. What's more, it also has a new user interface with a layout that makes shooting, navigating menus and viewing your video simple and fun, right from the start. Ideal for families to take on trips, sports games, school performances and more. The VIXIA R72 can help you record fantastic videos you'll treasure for years.